Hi, everyone. I just want to offer a quick apology for not responding to many emails that I've received and also not putting out very many quality videos over the last year or two. I think, like a lot of us, I'm getting a bit worn down by the constant vileness going on and how so much of Christianity is just getting poisoned in recent years. I go through the comments of my videos every single day, sometimes for several hours at a time. And all I see is bickering back and forth from one Christian to another, arguing over some of the littlest things and biggest things, but a lot of calling one another names. And unfortunately, I kind of participated in that too. And I think after years of doing this, it's kind of getting to me. And I'm pondering maybe to take some time off from making any videos or to go in a different direction. It's not that any of my beliefs have changed. I'm still 100% convinced that Donald Trump is the Antichrist. It's just getting really hard to keep talking about this all the time while simultaneously receiving a lot of hatred back at me for daring to talk about the golden idol of modern Christianity. And I'm not looking for anyone's sympathy. I'm the one who started this channel, so I have to deal with that. But I just wanted to say, if you do see perhaps less of my videos in the coming weeks and months, it's not because I went anywhere or I stopped doing them. It's just maybe that I'm looking for a way to recalibrate a little bit, perhaps recharge, and hopefully have videos that have a more profound impact than the ones I'm currently making. But that's all I wanted to say. I do deeply appreciate all of those who have supported my channel by subscribing or recommending it or sharing it or hyping it or any other way. And I remain truly grateful for those of you who have donated on GoFundMe. Without that help over the last couple of years, I would not have been able to do this at all. So thank you for that again. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm just feeling a bit worn down right now, as I think a lot of us are, which I spoke about in a recent video. We kind of all have that feeling that everything is starting to wear us down. And of course, all that added stress that we endure is just not healthy for us. I just want to reiterate that I will be around, perhaps not as much as usual, but I am here. I will be making videos from time to time, and soon, hopefully, longer videos, as there are many videos that are backed up from the last couple of years. That is all I wanted to say today. Thank you for listening, and thank you to everyone who has been kind enough to watch all of these videos. But I don't want to end on a down note, so here is a replay of an older video from 4 or 5 years ago, and it just shows many scenes of God's creation along with Bible verses. Thanks again for watching. God bless.